We're going to make some breakfast biscuits. I'm going to take some, what do we call these? Baking cups. I'm only going to make a few of these, so make it easier to make them and not have to have the hot mess of cleaning up stuff. Let me go ahead and tilt this back a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Actually, let's make 4. Okay, so we have at least 4 eggs. We got 3 eggs, so I'll have to go and get another egg. We're going to take 1 egg and pop it into each one of these. All right, let me go get another egg, peeps. Got me another egg. Well, most of these are resealable, but you know something? I don't care. I don't got time to play with these so-called resealable packages. Jesus Christmas. And I still can't. Jesus. Now, this is on sale. I got this on sale, but it does not make it easy to get into the goodies. Okay, finally. So, we're going to take a little bit of ham, put it in each one of them. Alright, let me go get some bacon. Alrighty, so I'm going to slice up some of this sausage. Not very much of it, because we don't have a lot of wiggle room in this recipe. Nappy cake. I need to make a little bit more for this last one, and then we're going to move over to the bacon. All right, bacon. Everything we love. I'm going to trim a little bit of this fat off this bacon. And now, another slice of bacon. Trim a little bit of this fat off. Because the gut in here, we don't want it too greasy. So I'm trim some of this fat off. And if you like the fat, go ahead and leave it on there. But I know I need to make as much room as possible in these small little cups. Okay. Slice up this last piece of bacon. And then I'm going to rinse my hands off. And then we're going to add some cheese on top of this. And then we're going to put it in the oven and let it cook. I'll be right back. I'm back. Need a little bit of onions. And I need to add a little bit of, where's my green peppers? Here we go. Okay, and now the finishing touch is we're going to coat this with some cheese. Alright, so we're going to put this in the refrigerator for probably about 15 to 30 minutes. And we'll check on it and make sure. Because I'm not sure how long it would take to actually make these done, because I've never, I don't know what made me come up with this idea, but we'll be. This is, oops, let me pull this back a little bit so you can see it. It's hot. Look how golden and beautiful these came out. So they came in, let me pull out the paper. Whew, that's hot. We pull one of these out, and let me go grab my gloves so I can move. Here we go. Whew, that is hot. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Want to see? See? Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And look, because I put it in paper, we can easily peel it back. And there's no mess in the which comes. So we don't even have to wash it. I just rinsed that out right quick. Right quick. See, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Now, let's do a quick sniff test. That smells almost like a breakfast bite. So, let's see if it really tastes like one. Ooh, I mean, this is really hot. So, do I have a fork? Let me go grab a fork. Okay, let's see what this tastes like. Okay. That's not bad at all. At all. That actually, with that egg base, and you can almost tell that the whites cooked on the bottom first, because that's all you do. In the middle part, if you look very carefully, it's where all the goodies are. See that? See where all the goodies are? Right in the middle of that joker. And look at that. And you can see where the cheese is kind of holding it together. That's not bad at all. This is like, I'll tell you exactly what it's like. Eating an omelet, but in muffin style. That's what this kind of reminds me of. omelet, and you can still see the ridges that's in that white egg with yolk, white egg white. Mmm. Woo. But don't be so impatient like I am, and eat it right when it comes straight out of the oven. You may want to let it sit around for like 5 minutes. Let it cool down a little bit. But this is not bad at all. This is something you can make. And since I use the white cups, it doesn't make a mess in which comes out. I literally can just take these out, rinse some water over it, and then go in and cook the second batch, and not have to throw it in the dish. If you ever cooked anything in these muffin cups, you know how disastrous it becomes without using those liners. Because you got to wash them on the usual ones. That's really nice. This is really nice. How would I rate this? I give this a solid 8. This is absolutely delicious, and it's easy to make, and even better, easy to clean up. Until next time, family, you take care of yourself. I'll talk to you soon.